Today we'll talk about how can you disable Juan approval on your WhatsApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You will find here settings, you just click on it. So then you go down, just keep going down. You will find here roles and permissions. Click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just come here to Juan approval. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean Juan approval disabled with us now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.